Hi, I'm Ty, Head of Development here at RetailRight. Today I'm going to show you how to get card processing working correctly once you are a payment partner. So the first step in that is becoming a payment partner, and I'll leave the information in the description below on how to get in contact with our payment processor and get signed up. But once you're signed up, you just go into the settings and the POS tab and use RetailRight's payment processor. Once you do that, you'll be shown a merchant ID. Go ahead and put in your merchant ID. It'll verify it and then just save. And now you'll notice when I go to POS, there's a select store like there was before. Do that. But now, after that, you'll get a select a station. So, no stations created, go to Preferences. This will take you in to create a checkout station. So create checkout station, give it a name, test station, and then we will go and pull all the terminals assigned to your account, and you can pick to find the serial number of your terminal. It's just on the back on the label, and just find the one that matches in the list and select that one, and then create checkout station. Now we'll go ahead and head back to POS, and there you go, your test station. So, and it got some details down here about it. So test station, its serial number, and its status, which is currently standby. So, hold on, I gotta turn on my terminal. Okay, got that plugged in. So now I'm just gonna start an order. This part will stay just about the same. We add some quantity here. Actually, I don't need to. Can do it from the POS. Yes. So there we go. We got some Fritos queued. And now when you go to, you'll notice this is different. So now when you go to press card, connecting the card terminal. There we go, we're connected. Go ahead and just put in the card amount and go to checkout. Then you got to select credit or debit. Just select the type your customer has. Mine is credit. And now I'm going to switch over to my phone, and you'll see 375. Just go ahead and confirm that. Slide in a card. Move the card. And approved. And your transaction will finish up on the app and print a receipt, and you're good to start a new order. And that is basically the only differences with being a payment partner.